the sky is not actually blue?
Cheers! Why is the sky blue? Maybe someone painted it blue? That sounds funny.
That's a great question. The sky isn't actually blue. Sunlight looks white, but it has many colors inside it. When sunlight hits tiny air particles, blue light scatters more than other colors.
So that's why we see blue everywhere?
That blue light reaches our eyes from all over the sky.
Wow! The sky is blue because of science!
Exactly.